All these things are frictional, and this act is under art integrated project named Video and Filmmaking with the guidance of Thwanika Bhatt ma'am.
Good morning to our representative here. Today on this auspicious day, I am glad to have a conversation with Paresh Mehdi. But do you really know who is Paresh Mehdi? So let's proceed to the presentation to know who is Paresh Mehdi.
This is the presentation by me for the Honorable Paresh Mehdi. Let's talk about Paresh Mehdi. Paresh Mehdi, born in 1965, is an Indian painter. He is a prolific painter in a short career span. In 2014, the government of India conferred upon him its fourth highest civilian award, the Padma Shri. His early life. Paresh Mehdi was born in Tumluk, West Bengal. He has a degree of Fine Arts from the Government College of Art and Craft, Kolkata, and graduated at the top of his class with the Master of Fine Arts from the New Delhi College of Arts. Its education is B.F.8 Government College of Art and Craft, Kolkata, and M.F.8 College of Art, New Delhi. His career. Paresh Mehdi has 81 solo exhibitions in 40 years of his career. In early years, he did many watercolors of different locations. He gradually moved from atmospheric scenery to representation of human form. His more recent paintings are bold and have a graphic quality with a strong color and usual cropping. His works are the number of collections including the British Museum and the National Geography of Modern Art, New Delhi. He's painted the longest painting of India that stretches up to over 850 feet. In August 2010, his 55 solo show with a watercolor paintings based on the last teen poem of poet Rabindranath Tagore, Shesh Lekha, The Last Writings, 1941, opened at the National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi. Exhibition and awards. Recent exhibition, Art Central Hong Kong in 2019, Visual Arts Center Hong Kong in 2019, Jahangir Art Gallery Mumbai presented by Art Musings in 2017. Recent awards. Award from Bihar government in 2017, Eastern Eye Editor Special Award Hall, London in 2016, Padma Shri Award by the Government of India in 2014. Let's talk about some artworks by the Paresh Mehdi. These are some artworks, and the credit goes to the Wikipedia for this information.
After this presentation, hopefully you get the idea who is Paresh Mehdi. So let's proceed to the important part where we will have a conversation with Paresh Mehdi. So let's go.
After a long time, he has came here taking his time off, so we have to be really quick. I have few questions regarding your personal life. If you don't mind, can I ask?
Yes,
So my first question is that you wanted to you be a doctor. How did you become an artist?
as a child, I know that I wanted to do art. At the age of 7, I thought that art is only the thing I can do in my life, and I will do that till the end of my life.
You moved from Kolkata to Delhi and joined the art over here, and you stayed over since.
You know, my destiny brought me to Delhi, and it was a wonderful to expose myself because in art, Delhi was opening the door that time. And you know, lot of the art exhibition are going on, so it was a wonderful to be here.
Paresh sir, you are not only the star in your family, you are married with the artist Jayashree Burman, and your son are rising star in the portrait and fashion, the photography with the Brita Burman. How do you feed each other creatively?
All the time, all the time. Sometime very interesting when we go for the tour or travel, and me and my son are talking about camera, some photographs, so it was wonderful to be talking about art all the time.
You don't have a television set up indoor. Can you explain me that why?
I have never seen a television in my life. I do watch some interesting thing, but like everything routine, I don't watch television. I listen to music, read books, and I try to think and stay quite alone and observe.
And now the final question. How do you recognize a masterpiece?
A masterpiece. When you really get a real happiness, joy, and when you know from any art, it will give you an instant feeling, happiness, joy. That's give you a masterpiece.
Paresh Mehdi, it was a big pleasure to have you on our talk. thank you very much joining on our show.
It's my pleasure to be here with you, Nitin.